In this video I'm going to show you what the string names are and how to tune your guitar. The names of the strings are E, A, D, G, B and E. And a mnemonic to remember the string names easily is Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Good, by Eddie. So play these strings on your guitar yourself and say this name or this mnemonic with it. And maybe you noticed it, I said the E string 2 times, like Eddie and Eddie. This is because this is the lower E string and I name it the thick E string. And this is a higher E string and I name it the thin E string because the string is thinner. And you can hear that it's the same note but in a different octave. Now you know the string names, I'm going to teach you how to tune your guitar. For this tutorial I'm going to use the tuner on gijsmusicacademy.com, but you can also use a tuner or a tuning app on your phone. Do you still remember the first string name? Alright, it's the E string. So pick the string and see if it's tuned right. If it's tuned too low, the blocks on the left side are red or yellow. But we need to light the green box in the middle. When the string is too low, we have to tighten the string to turn the knob away from us. Don't pick the string too much, once in a few seconds is enough. And now we're going to the next string. And you can see that the string is tuned too high. So when it's tuned too high, we need to loosen the string and turn the knob towards us. When you're done with these strings, tune the next string. D string, G string, B string and the E string. Remember, Eddie, 8, Dynamite, goodbye Eddie. Thanks for watching this video and your support by liking this video or leaving the comment. And I hope to see you on gijsmusicacademy.com or in my next YouTube video.